guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and I am back today with a Temu review. This time around I picked out a whole lot of dresses for the springtime, of course going into summer, and they really got me because all the fun colors, prices, I was like thrown in the bag. Can't wait to review these and see what's going on. So before I go ahead and dive into today's video, definitely go ahead and subscribe if you guys are new here. I do a lot of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle self-care related videos. I love to kind of switch it up. I'm passionate about a little bit of everything. And if you guys are new, you probably wouldn't know that I also have a fitness YouTube channel, and then I also have a vlog channel, which is more of like my personal life, things that I'm doing outside of just sit down style videos. So if any of that interests you, definitely check out the description box below. And I'm also going to go ahead and link you guys to Temu because they have a lot of clothing items for women. They have so many different types of clothing items, dresses, sets, jeans, shoes, accessories, jewelry. They have stuff for your pets, stuff for your home, literally a little bit of something for everybody at insane prices, which is what I think is the most enticing thing about Temu. Right now they have a crazy sale going on, and you can also use the coupon code in the description box to save additional off of your Temu order. And they also have free shipping and I believe free return as well, which we love. They have a lot of like basics, right? Basics at such insane prices, like $10, $8, $5, like it's insane. So I just want to touch on the quality in this video, the fit of the items, if I would recommend you guys stay true to size up or size down, and in general if I think the item is actually worth purchasing or if you should just leave it on the Temu website. I got you, girl. So let's start with this first outfit, which I think is so cute. Just wearing something white, like an all white outfit, just hits different. So this one is in a size small. I do find that sometimes their stuff runs a little bit big, especially if it's like a fitted dress or something. So we'll see when we try this on, but this is a nice like small ribbed knit fabric and it's long sleeve dress. So I thought this would be really nice for like a date night in that transitional weather where it's not too hot just yet. And it also has like lace up detail here in the front. So I think this is gonna be super cute. It's giving me Skims vibes, like their soft lounge, but really affordable. And if I'm not mistaken, this one also came in a ton of different colors. This is a nice like thick ribbing. I would say I would still want to wear some type of like, I don't know, they're not like compression shorts, but like Skims, I would wear like their bikers for just coverage in that aspect, so you don't see anything. So this is super cute, such a basic, and I can't wait to try that one on. This piece, I don't remember picking this out. Sometimes I get to pick things out, sometimes they sneak some items in there for me to review for you guys, which I don't mind, but this is just not my style. It's very loud. I love a loud color, but not when it's like this. Y'all, it has a hood on the back. Why though? It's like a dress and it's not really fitted. And it has pockets, which I personally don't feel is gonna be the most flattering on me personally. And it has these odd looking eyelet button-ups. I just would never wear this. But that's just because it's not my style, baby. But maybe it is yours. So I just thought I would include this in the video. It is soft and kind of like stretchy, but like I don't know where you would wear something like this. I'ma say y'all can pass. I'ma keep it 100. I fell in love with this color combo. I don't know what it is about like a hot pink with an orange. Like it's just super cute. It's giving like sunset vibes. This doesn't look like it is like a bodycon fitted style mini dress. It looks very loose. So we'll see how that is. I'm not crazy about this material though. It doesn't have like any stretch to it, so I think it's just gonna literally lay on top of whatever you have going on, honey. It's just very thin. So this maybe I would probably use for like a pool cover up type of thing like that, something very loose. You can throw it on, throw it off, and you don't really care about it too much. So maybe that's what I would utilize this for. As far as like wearing it out and about, I probably wouldn't. This next dress was giving me like a designer vibe with the plaid and then the color details of it being nude, white, and black. This one is a more fitted style bodycon mini dress, and it has about like a 1-inch strap detail. This is also like single lined, so you definitely will want to wear something underneath. Like, I don't know, it's just very thin. This one has a little bit of stretch to it compared to the last dress, and this I got in a size small. I haven't tried any of this stuff on just yet, so I will insert b-roll footage so you guys can kind of see what it looks like on a person versus whatever it looks like on the Temu website. Sometimes it's just nice to see something in a video format so you can really see what the material is like. Does it move with you? Is it stiff? Is it worth my $5? Or should I kind of pass on it? That's why I like to do my little reviews. I like this material so much more than that last dress. This one is giving me slinky, like that slinky fabric, which I love when I'm going out at night. I thought this material, or the print, I'm sorry, was like really fun. And this one is a longer dress. It's giving Cheetah girl vibes. And it has very skinny straps here, so you could wear it like one shoulder, which I think is how it is intended to be worn. This for like a night out, some black strappy heels, it's a look, it's a vibe. And it is double lined in the chest area, so I really like that. It gives you coverage, because I probably would not want to wear a bra with something with such skinny straps. And this again is in a size small. So fabric of this, love. I think when I put it on, it's gonna give body yada yada yada. Okay, so for next fall, I think this would be really fun. I like this like dusty pink color, and I like the texture of this. This is really cute. It's a mini dress with an off like centered zipper, long sleeve. I love a good dress, like a mini dress. Your legs are out but your arms are covered. It just does something for me, you guys. I don't know, it's just really sexy. And then it has a mock neck to it. This has some stretch as well, so I think you'll be nice if you're in between sizes. And the material has like some shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see how shiny it is. So this I think I'm gonna love. This, top 5 pick, okay? We love that. I also got this. Also, something about green and brown as a combo I love. I don't know why, but I think this is going to be really pretty as well. It's more on a long lined side. It's not quite a mini dress, so we'll see the length of it when I have it on. And it's just like a cutoff sleeve, and then it has a small zipper to get in it. It is high neck. This looks like it's not going to be super fitted. Like if you're a curvy girl, it'll definitely fit you, and it's stretchy. I love stretchy materials. They're just more forgiving, and I find flattering because it really hugs your figure without looking like it's wearing you type of a thing. So love the color combo of that outfit. And then this is an all black dress, which I love a good all black outfit because you can really just wear it for any type of occasion. And again, I guess I have a thing for high necks. I just feel like it's very sexy, and I don't know, I just love it. Cut off sleeves, and then this one has a whole lot of cutout details and ties on this side with a high slit. So this is going to be very interesting when I try this on. I'm not sure if it's giving nightclub. Is it giving dinner? Is it giving vacation? We don't know until we put this thing on, baby, because the slit is slitting. This print was giving me picnic in the park, like a picnic date. You're gonna go get some sandwiches from Potbelly and sit on a blanket soaking up the sun. So this one I saw and I liked it because it's backless. It's also double lined, which I love because you don't want to wear a bra with this. Show off those back muscles, girl. Adjustable straps, and it's kind of like a neon greenish yellow with really small floral prints. I don't mind a floral print like this. I think it's very beautiful. And it also has like that slinky, stretchy fabric that I like. So I think this is gonna look really cute. I think you could wear it with like some white sneakers, some tennis shoes, whatever, and it will be such a cute casual day date. Sorry, there's something in my eye. I really like this so far, and I think it's gonna look really cute on the body. And then I also saw this like powder blue dress. So this one is also kind of backless, but I'm thinking you can tie it in the back. It has adjustable spaghetti straps, and again, it's that ribbed material. And I believe this also came in other colors. This one though has a very high slit on both sides of this dress. So again, for like a day date, I think this will be really cute, brunch vibe, something like that. Something that you want to still be comfortable in, but you want to look more polished and put together. That's why I love dresses, because it's all one outfit and you don't have to like think about, oh girl, what am I going to wear with this to match the top with the bottoms? It's already a look for you, and it makes getting dressed super easy. And then the last bit of things that I have, I won't hold you guys here too long. This I thought would be a fun like day party type of an outfit. This looks a little bit wide cut. I don't have much going on in the chest area, so we'll see how that fits in the try on. And this one is single lined. Not my favorite, because we need some coverage when you have straps this skinny. So it's kind of hard because you don't want to see everything, you know, especially on the bum area. So very, very thin, looks very short. I do, however, love the print. I think it's really fun. This could also be utilized, I would say, as like a pool cover up if it's not wearable for like the club, because it's very thin. This one also looked really cute. Again, like a black dress for like a day party. I really liked the heart details when I saw this on the Temu site. And it was very affordable, y'all. It really got me. I don't know if you guys can see. Super cute, black mini dress, gold details, skinny straps. And I think it's supposed to be worn like crossed, ladies. The last outfit. This isn't a dress, but it's a two-piece. And I felt like it would still go nice with the theme of this video, because again, you don't have to think about what am I gonna wear with it. Maybe it's a set. We love the sets. So I like the color combo. Like, they really do nice color combos at Temu. This is also very thin. Given that this is white in some areas too, like I can see the tag here. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera. This is gonna show a lot, but I'm gonna try it on. It's a size small, it's stretchy. It's like a mini bodycon style fit, which I think is always so flattering. I don't know, I just love tight mini dresses, and this is very small too. So if you lift your arms, baby, say a prayer. I don't know that I would actually wear this out because it is very tiny, but maybe if you're on the petite side, this will be an outfit I would recommend. I also have very long legs, so this skirt looks to be on the very like short side, especially if you want to wear it high-waisted. So I think I'm gonna pass on this for myself, but I would recommend it if you are petite and you don't have much going on in the chest area, and if you like to show a lot of skin, this would definitely be a set for you. But also just keep in mind, it is not double lined on this outfit. So that is it for my Temu review, trying all the dresses at Temu so you don't have to. If you guys liked anything from this video, definitely be sure to check out the links in the description box, and don't forget to use the coupon code so you guys can save on your next Temu purchase. And let me know in the comments below which dress or like two-piece outfit was your favorite from today's video, and I will see you guys in my next vlog very soon. Bye!